Hello everyone, I want to go ahead and do a quick unboxing on this little motherboard I have here. The F2A88XN, this is the Wi-Fi version for my mini ITX build. I'll be partially doing with another how-to video on building a PC. So just take a quick look and see what it comes with. You can see that this has the APU processor on it, so that is the combination CPU and the video graphics. It does come with the 802.11ac, the dual band Wi-Fi, also Bluetooth 4.0, which is pretty cool. It does have a UEFI dual BIOS. So you can see right here on the top is the motherboard. Let's take a look at some of the other things that it comes with real quick before we take a look at the motherboard. So we have our manual, which is always handy when it comes to trying to figure out a couple of things if you were a first-time builder. So a little user guide for us as well. Looks like we have a few cables down here. We have a SATA cable, which is a straight cable, and then a 90-degree cable. All black cables. Looks like we have our rear I/O panel here as well. Cut out with the PS2 mouse and keyboard combination slot. This would be our antenna for the Wi-Fi that we can set up and apply on top of the machine or somewhere close. Looks like a driver disc here and a utility disc as well. That's the contents of the box. Let's go ahead and unwrap the motherboard and just take a quick look at it. See really what comes in this package. Alright, with it out of the box, you can see that it's a majority of the motherboard is black. You can see that we have our Wi-Fi adapter right here. These cables run along to the Wi-Fi card on the motherboard. We have a few things here you can see. Looks like we have some SATA slots at the top up there. USB 3.0 to the left of that. On the right hand side we have our motherboard connector. Our CPU slots right in the middle. We have two RAM slots off to the right side of the board. And at the bottom we have a PCI Express slot. So lots of configurability for this motherboard. Even though the CPU comes with a little bit of video included in it, you can also pair it up with specific video cards. So these are our SATA slots right here. The USB slot. Our motherboard connection for power, our RAM slots right here, PCI Express slot down here at the bottom, this is our 12-volt CPU power. You can see, look at the connectors that it comes with. So we have two USB 2.0 and looks like we have two HDMI, a DisplayPort there as well. Wi-Fi, USB 3.0, another two USB 2.0s, our network, and then our rear sound panel as well. CPU slot just right here. If you want to watch the installation of this specific CPU, I'll actually throw that down in the description. You can watch the entire build of this PC, which I'll throw down in the description as well. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. As always, I appreciate you watching the video.